Hello there, I'm glad you could join me today, and this is the third part of our book cover series design. Today I'm going to show you how I designed this type of book showing on the screen, and if you want to learn that, stay with me. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to, as usual, lock the background by right clicking and locking it. Okay, I'm going to choose this entire book with my marquee and reduce the size. Alright, I start and keep it here like I used to do before. Reduce it more. Okay, the first thing I have to do here is pick my drawing tool, the rectangle drawing tool, and I'm going to draw a rectangle. Okay, I can duplicate that. I'll hold on my control key to do that now. Oh, sorry, I didn't want to do that one. Go back to my pick tool, hold down my control key, choose, and once it gets there, I right click to copy it. Okay, so you can do that as well to save you time. Alright, I'm going to reduce this one to about the size or so. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a perspective to this book. Okay, and I'm not going to do like I previously do in some other ones. I'm not going to convert it to curve. That's what I meant to say. So I'm going to add perspective, go to effect, add perspective. Do the same with this, go to effect, add perspective. Then I come back to it. So I'm going to shift this such. I'm not going to bend it as such like I bent the other one. Okay, maybe I'll leave it like this, let it look like that. Let me shift it a little bit. Okay, might bring this one down a sec. So I'm going to shift this one too and snap it to the node and do this. Okay, alright, so when you shift this too so that it stays there. Okay, if it looks okay to you, you can leave it, but it's still bending here. And let me zoom in and shift it. Okay, is that okay by me? Alright, once it's okay by you, you can leave it, but for me it's not okay yet. This is looking somehow bent, but I think we go with it like this. So I'm going to do another rectangle. Okay, sorry, I should have duplicated it. So I'm going to do another rectangle here. Alright, now let me do it this way because I want to put it here. So let me stretch it. I ended up creating another one because I was still holding the tool. So I'm going to leave it like this. Now we have this. We can start editing it right now. Actually, I'm going to add a color field. So let me add this color field. You can add any color. You can use any color you like, and it will give you the same thing you want. Okay. So I've added this color field. I'm going to remove the outlines of both of them. I fill this one with white. Remove the outline too. Alright, leave it there until I want to use it. Okay, can I bring it here? Okay, let's leave it there. Now, I'm going to start editing this so that why do I keep saying that? I thought thing. Alright, I brought it here so that you see what I mean. Start editing it to start adding the shadows. Alright, to start adding the variations of color. So the first thing we need to do is choose the interactive field tool and use it on this one. Right, if you still want to adjust the what's it called, the bending of a book, okay, the corner at which it's bent, all right, you can still adjust it, but for now we're going to use it like this. All right, so I'm going to make this a deeper color. Let me see. Okay, that I think that is good. Okay, I think I'm going to use a, if I use that, it's okay. Don't worry about where the shadow is going, alright? Where the, what is it called? The field is going, alright? we'll adjust it later. I add that again, and then add the lighter one again. Add the lighter one here. Alright, this is going to be very simple. Okay, I think that will do it. Let me adjust this search. Okay, okay, okay. Now I'm going to. Alright, before I do that, let's tweak this. Okay, so watch what I'm gonna do. It's very simple. So there's no gimmicks about it. You know why added all those things. Okay, so you see it. I don't need this to be seen somehow. Alright, I guess you are seeing it right now. I think I'm going to remove this and make this look like that. Okay, I think you can see where I'm driving at. You can see what I want to achieve with that, okay? This shouldn't be here, so I'm removing it. That is okay, okay? That is okay. Let's adjust this. Alright, you'll see the effect it gives. Okay, you see the effect it gives right now. So let's adjust that. I'm going to pull back the feel of this one so that we see what we are doing, how we can adjust it. All right. So let's go back to the interactive field tool. Shouldn't take much time with this tutorial. Okay, let me use this one because it helps me adjust better. My Right, you have to have much patience with it so that it doesn't bore you out. Okay, I hope this video doesn't get so long that you yourself is bored with what I'm doing. Alright, you can if that's okay by you, you can leave it that way. If not okay, you can still go ahead to adjust it. Alright, so I'm going to leave it there. But I'm going to copy. I want this to be lighter. I want it to be lighter. Okay, I think that is good. Maybe I'll make this one lighter too. Anyhow you want it to be. Okay, so I'm going to copy this field to this place so that we don't have to start choosing the numbers again. So alright, what did I do? I just held on right click, then dragged it, alright, and came here, alright, hovered over it, then left it. Like copy field, that's what you want to do once this box pops up. Alright, it has copied the field. So when we click on it, you see where the field is. So we'll move it to right where we want it. Alright, you see what I'm doing? What is wrong with you? Okay, sorry. That is how it should. Let's leave it that way and bring this down. Sorry. Oh, what is wrong with me? Click it back. I want it to be straight like this. I'm going to tweak this place. Okay, that is just better. So I'm going to shift this. Here. Shouldn't take much time, but it's looking like it's taking it. Alright, I adjust this because I want to see in this. I'm going to remove the field right now because I don't need it. Bring it closer. Alright, you'll see why I wanted to do that. Okay, I wanted you to see that effect. I guess you're seeing it right now. Okay, are you seeing the effect? So we bring it closer. Good. You should be seeing it better. So I adjust. If I push it back, it's still not being seen well. So what should I adjust? So you can adjust it anyhow you want it, so that whatever effect you want to give will come out well. So we're going to do the same for this place. We're going to add the darker one. You can choose any one you want, right? And it gives you the same thing. Good. Alright, I see what you're trying to do here. So just take your time. Just take your time and adjust it so that you get what you want. Once you get what you want, then you're good to go. Alright, you see that? And I have a better effect with this. Alright? I can make this place look more, what is it called? Okay, so that it looks like it's coming out instead of going. I hope you got it. Alright. Alright, you see the effect right now is looking more lovelier. Okay, okay, okay. So let's adjust this a little bit. Like that. Good. Alright, this is better than I even thought. Okay, so you can leave it that way. You can change the color if you want. It doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. But let's make this place lighter. Let's give it a lighter feel. Good, good. This is wonderful. This is just wonderful. Let me shift this. I guess you can see that bump that I don't need it there. I don't need it there. Uh, oh, what is wrong? Good, good, good. Okay. I think that is good. I waited. Let me quickly move into this one, right? And kind of start tweaking it. But before that, I think I need to make this. Let me make this darker. Okay, better, so that be seeing it. Now I'm going to add perspective to this. Change to my picture first because I don't want to make unnecessary mistake with that. Okay, just drag it. Just drag it. Your perspective works. Just drag it. So make sure it's aligning well. I think it is here. Has still need to tweak it a little. That's over. Bake it in. Bring it out. That looks more like it, but cool. Good. That is it. All right. I'm going to bring another rectangle, and I'm going to duplicate it. All right. Add perspective to it. Add perspective to this one too. Good. Then I'm going to move it. Move it. Keep it across this. Don't worry. You'll see why I did that. Let's have a little patience. A little patience. So that your work is great. Okay, I'm going to change the color to and I'm going to remove the field. Okay, alright, we'll take that to Let's do the same with this. Man, what is wrong with you? Okay. I think you're getting the idea now. So we're going to adjust it. Don't worry. We'll adjust everything. Adjust everything so that it looks perfect. Close to perfect, not perfect, because most of the times these things can hardly look perfect. Most of the times these things can hardly look perfect. So just adjust it, adjust it, adjust it to your taste. Take your time and do all these things, right? Okay, you see what I got now. So the book is almost ready, and one more thing I need to do. Okay, no, let's leave that. Okay, let me adjust here instead. Well done. Okay, alright. Now let me adjust this one. I'm going to convert it to curve. Okay, although I've added perspective to it, I'm going to convert to curve. I'm going to adjust this because it's too inside. Okay, I think that is better. I'm going to adjust this too. It's a better option, right? So that looks closely equal. Okay, now Control Q to this place, and this is what I want to do. All right, that is what I want to achieve right there. Let me choose that because so I think that is good. It's not really perfect, so let's do the typography and paste it here, and you see what we got. Choose my text tool, book cover, design. I'm going to split it, Control K, to split all of them. So you can choose anything you want with this. So let me change this cover to something else. Let's try this, then leave this where it is, and okay. I'm going to look everything like this. Let's not start looking for fonts so that to save up time. So what you do is we're going to convert all these things to active, all right? But I'm going to duplicate it first. You understand, right? Now I'm going to duplicate it, keep it here, all right? So start with this one, effects, add perspective, then start work. Now the idea of how you will get where you place this is with how this book goes, all right? The lines, the shape of a book will give you an idea of the better place, all right? You see how I did this right now? So I'm following the shape of a book, so it's giving me an idea of how to shape it. So I'm do that. I think this is great. So I'm going to do that to this one, add perspective. So I'll do the add perspective, then after that, then I'm going to start adding the color. Let me do this too. Okay, add perspective. Okay, I'm going to reduce this the point of us, let's say to 16. Book design, I'm going to shift it. Oh man. Okay, I think that is good. Book cover design. Shift this up a little bit. Adjust it. Okay. I think this is good. Okay, good. Or use it like that, change the color like that. So let's do it with this ones too. Okay, I think we'll go with that. Bring this closer. Let me bring it closer to this one. All right, that is a cool space. I can reduce it. No, let's reduce it with a perspective instead. Reduce them with Okay, let's leave it that way. We have a book cover. We can start adding the colors. And let me go back to my pick tool. I can add a white to this. Don't worry. I'll usually, as usual, I'm going to add what's it called? All right, follow what I'm doing right now. I'm going to add the drop shadow, right? So it brings that place out, and you're gonna like how it looks. Might not be ideal for some designers, but that is what is going to happen. All right, so the book is ready. Okay, you can actually add some shadows here. All right, so like interactive, if you to kind of move, you can make it here like this. mm, I don't need white, I need dimmer color here. Which one should I use? Okay, I think that one is good. Uh, I don't know if you get what I'm trying to do there. I know what is wrong with you. Get out of my way. Okay, if you notice what I want to do there, okay, that folding, I want to give it to this book, right? Just think I achieved it, but not perfect. You can do the same. I can drag and copy fill to this one, and where is it? Stupid thing. See where it dropped it. Can you imagine that? This is something you can do just to give your a book a little feel. You know, you understand what this it makes it looks like a folding, okay? And that is a great idea if you ask me. So you can still change the color of this one, and like looks like a gray. Oh, let's check if we see a color here that can match what I'm in. Something like looks not like this. Let me go into the color neighborhood, and oh, okay. You see what I mean right now. So you can do that, and then we have this. The book is almost ready, so I'm going to add the drop shadow tool, and this tutorial is like over. Okay, I'm going to reduce it so it's not too much. Okay, you can add it to this one, but I'm not going to do that. Now you see how it looks. I can also add it to this. Good. I'm going to reduce it so that it's not too much. Okay, reduce this one more, and that is it. Wow, you see what we have here. I'm going to move this up my pick tool. Great, awesome. Now I'm going to choose the thing, unchoose this, unchoose this. Okay, group it, make sure this is not chosen. Alright, it's not. I'm going to take it back and add my drop shadow right now. Good, now it's not chosen. Better, better. So, wow, what a time. So I think I'm going to redo this because I don't want that shadow to be showing there. I want it to show up front. Okay, I don't want it to show, I don't want it to show at the back. Okay, so I'm going to reduce it right now so that the back one disappears a little bit. I think that is better. I'm going to reduce it. You can keep it as much as you want it to be, okay? And you can add a shadow here if you want under this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave this book like this. Alright guys, I think that caps it. If you love this tutorial and if it helped you out, I'd like you to give us a thumbs up, right? And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you get notifications when we post new cool videos that will help you do great designs. See you in the next video, everyone.